Welcome back, everyone. This October, the stock market is giving us a classic clash of titans. In one corner, we have the high-flying tech stocks, powered by the AI revolution and promising some serious growth. And in the other corner, you've got the steady, resilient healthcare companies that can be a safe harbor when the market gets choppy. So which way do you turn? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play both sides. I've got my top 5 stock picks across these two dominant sectors that I believe are set up for a fantastic October 2025. Just a quick reminder before we get started. This is all for informational purposes. I'm sharing my personal analysis with you, but it's not financial advice. Always make sure to do your own homework before making any investment decisions. The big theme this month is a fascinating tug of war. We're facing some economic uncertainty, and there's talk of potential Federal Reserve rate cuts, which is creating a really interesting dynamic. A lot of investors are running to healthcare for defense, since that sector tends to hold up well in uncertain times. But at the same time, how can you ignore the incredible growth coming from tech, especially with everything happening in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity? The 5 stocks I have for you today are my favorite ways to get the best of both worlds. The resilient anchor, CVS Health, CVS. First up is a name you all know, but it has quietly transformed into a healthcare giant. CVS Health, ticker CVS. With a market cap around $98 billion, this is so much more than just your corner pharmacy. It's a full-blown powerhouse in health services, insurance, and pharmacy benefits. So why CVS and why now? The company has been building some serious momentum in 2025. Management has raised its earnings guidance for the year, which is always a great sign of confidence. In its most recent quarterly report, it posted strong revenue growth of over 8% year over year. And get this, the stock has seen a year-to-date total return of over 70%. As some of its competitors have stumbled, CVS is really stepping up and asserting its dominance. Key things to watch in October are the performance in its healthcare benefits segment and its updated Medicare Advantage star ratings. The bull case here is that even after its recent run, the stock still looks reasonably priced, especially given its growth and ability to generate a ton of free cash flow. The main risk? There's always pressure on profit margins in the healthcare world, but the company's recent cost-saving plans seem to be pointing things in the right direction. The growth powerhouse, Palantir, PLTR. Alright, let's switch gears to my second pick, a true high-growth disruptor in the tech space, Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. For those who don't know, Palantir builds incredibly powerful big data software for both governments and, increasingly, large corporations. The momentum here is just undeniable. The stock has been on an absolute tear, surging around 147% year-to-date, making it a top performer and a new member of the S&P 500. The excitement around its artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, is through the roof as the company keeps showing how its AI can be used in the real world. The stock has built a solid technical base and is trading well above its key moving averages, which tells me that big money institutional investors are confident. The bull case for Palantir is that it's positioning itself to be the essential operating system for the AI era, which could be a massive opportunity. But here's the reality check. The main risk is its sky-high valuation. The stock trades at a very high price-to-sales multiple, meaning expectations are enormous. If it fails to deliver, the stock could see a major pullback, making this a classic high-risk, high-reward play for October. The indispensable defender, CrowdStrike, CRWD. My third pick, and our second from the tech world, operates in a field that's become absolutely essential for every single business out there, cybersecurity. I'm talking about CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD. The why now for CrowdStrike is pretty straightforward. The world is getting more dangerous online. Cybercrime is exploding, and attackers are using AI and stolen credentials to get faster and sneakier. This is forcing companies to open up their wallets and boost their cybersecurity budgets. The cybersecurity market is now expected to grow 50% faster than the rest of the software industry, and CrowdStrike is perfectly positioned to benefit. Financially, the company just keeps putting up impressive sales growth while maintaining great gross margins. The bull case is all about its industry-leading cloud-native Falcon platform. It's a single, lightweight agent that unifies security and helps companies stop breaches before they happen. Plus, strategic partnerships, like their one with Salesforce, are helping them expand their reach even further. The biggest risk to keep in mind was a major operational outage back in July 2024 that hit their margins, but the company is showing strong signs of recovery, and its long-term future still looks incredibly bright. Hey, if you're getting some value out of this and want more stock ideas and market analysis, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more than you know. The healthcare backbone, McKesson, MCK. For my fourth pick, we're heading back to the resilient healthcare sector with McKesson Corporation, ticker MCK. McKesson is one of the largest distributors of pharmaceuticals and medical supplies on the planet. Think of it as the backbone of our entire healthcare system. The real story with McKesson is its incredibly consistent performance. In its fiscal 2025, the company delivered robust revenue growth of 16% and raised its earnings guidance, showing that management is very confident. This isn't a flashy stock, it's a story of steady, reliable execution. And it has worked. The stock has a one-year total return of over 53%. When you look at the numbers, the company's U.S. pharmaceutical segment continues to be a powerhouse, driven by prescription volume and growth in specialty drugs. The bull case is simple. McKesson is a fundamentally strong company that many analysts rate as a buy, and they still see more room for it to run. It's a great value and defensive play that can add stability to a portfolio. The risk? Even stable giants can get punished. The stock dipped recently after an earnings report where revenue just barely missed some very high expectations, which shows you how tough this market can be. The innovation engine, Gilead Sciences, GLD. My final pick for October is a true innovator in the healthcare space, Gilead Sciences, ticker GILD. Gilead is a biopharmaceutical company that discovers and develops medicines that have literally transformed patient care. The reason to be watching Gilead right now is its powerful pipeline. Building on its legacy in virology and expanding into oncology, the company has a goal of delivering over 10 transformative therapies by 2030. Recent news, like a partnership with Chimera Oncology and getting a breakthrough therapy designation for a long-acting HIV treatment, shows they have real momentum. The bull case here is built on that deep pipeline and Gilead's absolute dominance in the multi-billion-dollar HIV market. Many analysts believe the stock is trading at a discount, and its strong free cash flow is funding both its research and shareholder returns. Of course, the risk with any biopharma company comes down to clinical trials. The success of its future pipeline isn't a sure thing, and any setbacks could hit the stock hard. But given its recent progress, I think it offers a compelling growth story within the defensive healthcare space. So there you have it, my 5 best stocks that could be poised for a great October 2025. You've got the resilient healthcare anchors in CVS Health, McKesson, and Gilead Sciences, giving you a blend of stability, value, and innovation. Then you have the high-octane tech leaders in Palantir and CrowdStrike, which offer that massive growth potential. This combination of defense and offense is exactly how I'm thinking about positioning for the month ahead to capitalize on this big market battle. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these stocks do you like the most? Do you own any of them? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.